above, below, absent, present, accept, refuse, active, lazy, afraid, brave, always, never, ask, reply, awake, asleep, after, before, ancient, modern, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, beginning, end, black, white, blank, complete, bold, timid, break, join, bright, dim, broad, narrow, build, destroy, cheap, expensive, child, adult, clean, dirty, clever, foolish, close, open, come, go, cool, warm, create, destroy, cruel, kind, common, rare, dangerous, safe, day, night, dark, light, dead, alive, decrease, increase, domestic, foreign, drop, catch, dry, wet, dull, shiny, dusk, dawn, early, late, east, west, easy, difficult, empty, full, encourage, discourage, entry, exit, even, odd, export, import, exterior, interior, external, internal, false, true, far, near, fast, slow, fat, thin, for, against, found, lost, friend, enemy, fresh, stale, full, empty, funny, serious, gentle, violent, giant, tiny, give, receive, glad, sad, go, stop, good, bad, grant, refuse, grow, shrink, guest, host, guilty, innocent, harmful, harmless, hate, love, healthy, sick, heavy, light, heaven, hell, here, there, high, low, honest, dishonest, horizontal, vertical, hot, cold, ill, well, import, export, in, out, include, exclude, inhale, exhale, inside, outside, insult, compliment, intelligent, stupid, interesting, boring, internal, external, join, separate, jolly, grumpy, joy, grief, judicious, foolish, juicy, dry, junior, senior, jump, fall, jumpy, calm, just, unjust, justice, injustice, keen, dull, key, lock, kick, catch, kid, adult, kill, save, kind, mean, king, commoner, knowledge, ignorance, known, unknown, naughty, simple, lack, abundance, landlord, tenant, large, small, laugh, cry, launch, shut, leader, follower, lend, borrow, lies, truth, liquid, solid, loud, quiet, many, few, maximum, minimum, mend, break, moderate, extreme, more, less, man, woman, merry, sad, messy, neat, minority, majority, modern, ancient, narrow, white, natural, artificial, near, distant, new, old, nice, mean, night, day, noisy, quiet, none, some, normal, strange, north, south, obedient, disobedient, occupied, vacant, offer, refuse, often, seldom, old, young, on, off, opposite, similar, opponent, supporter, optimist, pessimist, over, under, part, whole, pass, fail, past, present, patient, impatient, perfect, imperfect, permanent, temporary, pretty, ugly, professional, amateur, public, private, pull, push, qualified, disqualified, quench, heart, question, answer, quick, slow, quick-witted, dull-witted, quiet, loud, quit, continue, raise, lower, rain, sun, rapid, slow, refuse, agree, regular, irregular, reliable, unreliable, rigid, flexible, rough, smooth, rude, courteous, run, walk, safe, unsafe, save, waste, separate, join, shallow, deep, shrink, grow, simple, complex, sink, float, sober, drunk, some, none, sunny, cloudy, take, give, tame, wild, terrible, wonderful, thick, thin, tidy, messy, tired, energized, together, apart, tough, tender, transparent, opaque, trouble, ease, unemployed, employed, unfortunate, fortunate, unfold, fold, united, divided, unknown, known, unlocked, locked, unusual, usual, upstairs, downstairs, urban, rural, useful, useless, valid, invalid, valuable, worthless, vanish, appear, vigilant, careless, vintage, modern, virtue, vice, virtuous, wicked, visible, hidden, visitor, host, vocal, silent, waste, utilize, wet, damp, whisper, scream, winner, loser, wisdom, stupidity, wise, foolish, within, outside, working, broken, worry, relax, worst, best, yearn, dislike, yell, whisper, yesterday, tomorrow, yield, resist, youthful, aging, zany, serious, zenith, nadir, zero, full, zestful, lifeless, zigzag, straight, zip, unzip,